Astronomers predict that our home galaxy and the nearest major galaxy to it, Andromeda 2, 5 million light-years away, will collide and eventually merge between 3.9 billion and 5.6 billion years from now. They've been fairly certain about this since 2012, when researchers precisely measured the motions of many stars within the Andromeda galaxy and found that these stars were approaching the Milky Way. Presently, the two galaxies are moving toward each other at 250,000 miles per hour for 102,300 kilometers per hour, so that in the time required for you to read this sentence, the separation between Andromeda and the Milky Way will have diminished by nearly 800 miles. Astronomers also know that these two galaxies will not merely crash together. Instead, they'll undergo a series of encounters. According to a recent model, the first merger will occur about 3.9 billion years from now. The galaxies will then separate, slow down, and move back toward each other before colliding again in 5.1 billion years. The subsequent separation will be briefer, because their gravity will prevent them from straying too far apart. In about 5.4 billion years, the two galaxies will finally merge into a galaxy of more than 1 trillion stars. So what will all this galactic motion do to the solar system? Honestly, we can't provide an answer with any certainty. The most educated guess so far comes from T.J. Cox and Avi Loeb of the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics. They published a paper in the May 2008 issue of Monthly Notices of the Royal Astronomical Society entitled A Collision Between the Milky Way and Andromeda. Admittedly, be wary of the term collision. Even a galaxy containing billions of stars is mostly empty space. To quote a December 2023 Astronomy.com article, if the Sun were a ping-pong ball, then Proxima Centauri, the closest star to the Sun, would be about 680 miles 1,100 kilometers away. In that paper, they predict a 50% chance that our solar system will be pushed away from the galactic core by 3 times its current distance of 26,660 light-years. That displacement would propel the solar system toward the outer edge of the newly formed supergalaxy. Cox and Loeb also calculate that there is a 12% chance that the turbulent collisions will eject the solar system into the vast gulf of intergalactic space.